right, the next thing that we're going to talk about in this section is we're going to talk a little bit about measures of position. Measures of position are used to describe the position of a piece of data in relation to the entire data set. They are often used to make comparisons. So one type of measure of position that we're going to look at is going to be a percentile. A percentile is a value on a scale of 100 that indicates the percent of a distribution that is equal to it or below it. The nth percentile means that n% of the data falls below the data point. So for example, the 80th percentile separates the bottom 80% from the top 20%. So Kara took an achievement test to obtain credit for freshman English. Her score was at the 81st percentile. Explain what that means. So we're going to start by saying 81% of the scores were at or below Kara's score. Okay, so the 81st percentile means 81% of the scores were at or below her score. And therefore, Kara did as well or better than 81% of the students who took the exam. And if we find our complement of 81%, %, of the students scored higher than she did. So again, our first measure of position is this idea of percentile, which tells us where our data is falling, how much of it is at or below our value, and how much of our data is above the value.